I discuss about the algebraic expression. Chapter number 6, algebraic expression. First we know what is an algebraic expression. To know about algebraic expression, first we know what you mean by variable and constant. Suppose you write 5x square. What is the meaning of this? Where 5 is called constant and x is called variable. What is constant? So the symbol having fixed numerical value called constant. And it means that 5 is a constant because its value is fixed. Not said to be minus 2, not said to be minus 5, not said to be 10. We always say 5. This value is fixed. That is called constant. But x is called variable. Why it is called variable? So this symbol x having to the various numerical value. Suppose some expression can be solved, then you get 0, then you get minus 10, then you get 10, then you get 50, 100, 200, minus 273. The various numerical value due to this region, that is called variable. So the symbol having to the various numerical value is called variable. Next, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression what is an algebraic expression? So the combination of variable and constant connected by the sign of some fundamental operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division और algebraic expression. यानी हम यह कह सकते हैं कि combination of यानी कि सम्मिलन, combination इज द सम्मिलन. किसका सम्मिलन? वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट का. और इसको हम कनेक्टेड क्या चीज से करते हैं? तो बाय साइन ऑफ सम फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड algebraic expression. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 5x square minus 2x plus 3. तो 5x square, what is the meaning of 5x square? 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x. So there is sign is used, multiplication या subtraction या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 और x के बीच में या फिर एडिशन. तो connected by the sign of some fundamental operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is called algebraic expression. और the sign of subtraction and addition separated it into different terms. The different terms it means that 5x square minus 2x plus 3. There are 3 terms. So the sign of addition and subtraction separated it into different terms. Thus we know the algebraic expression, how many terms are there in an algebraic expression. So on the basis of terms, kinds of algebraic First, the algebraic expression having one term called mononomial. जिस algebraic expression में एक ही टर्म हो, चाहे वह कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट हो या सिर्फ कांस्टेंट हो, वो उससे हमें नहीं मतलब है, लेकिन जिसमें एक टर्म हो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? मोनोनोमियल कहते हैं. दो algebraic expression having two terms is called binomial. Three terms is called trinomial, and four terms is called quadrinomial. And more than four terms is said to be polynomial. What is polynomial? You, in your book, wrong definition is defined. In your book written 3 and more term, the expression having to the 3 and more term is called an algebraic expression. This is absolutely wrong. So what is 3 and more term is called polynomial? Written 3 and more term is said to be polynomial. This is absolutely wrong. So what is polynomial? तो दो algebraic expression in which the variable having non-negative integral power called polynomial. Those algebraic expression in which the variable having to the non-negative integral power. What are the meaning of this? To know about it, example 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3 root under x plus 3. This is called polynomial. No, this is not a polynomial. Why? There are four terms, and in term 3, the variable x is written in their exponential form. Then you write 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3. In term 3, the degree of variable x is 1 by 2. It is not a non-negative integral power. It is in the form of fraction. So only those algebraic expression in which the variable having to the non-negative integral power said to be polynomial is not a polynomial. इसको पॉलिनोमियल नहीं कह सकते. तो पॉलिनोमियल है क्या? कि जैसे कि अगर हम लिखते हैं 2x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 3 इज कॉल्ड पॉलिनोमियल. Polynomial is called a polynomial. Why? Because in this expression, each of the variable having non-negative integral power. Due to this reason, this expression is said to be polynomial. Suppose you write 3x cube minus 2x square minus x to the power minus 1 plus 4 is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Why? Because in term 3, the degree of x is minus 1. And we say about non-negative integral power of the variable is said to be polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Only those algebraic expressions are said to be polynomial having to the non-negative integral power. On the polynomial, those polynomial in which variable having to the non-negative integral power is said to be polynomial, only second is said to be polynomial, and other are not a polynomial because only this expression having non-negative integral power. On the basis of degree, how many types of or kinds of polynomial? To know about kinds of polynomial, first we know what are the meaning of degree of polynomial. Next point, what are the meaning of degree of polynomial? What are the meaning of degree of polynomial? Those algebraic, the polynomial in which the highest power of the variable, the highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomial. On the basis of degree of polynomial, those polynomial whose degree is 0 said to be zero polynomial. Degree is 1 said to be linear polynomial. Those polynomial degree is 2 said to be quadratic polynomial. Those polynomial degree is 3 said to be cubic polynomial. Those polynomial degree is 4 said to be biquadratic polynomial. These are kinds of polynomial. The general system of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are real number, but a not equal to 0. But a not equal to 0. A and b are real number, but a not equal to 0. Real number means that all of the integral value, all of the rational number taken in the place of a and b said to be real number, but in the case of real number a not equal to 0. When we take a equal to 0, then first term becomes equal to 0. And first term becomes equal to 0, then it becomes a zero polynomial, not said to be quadratic, not said to be linear polynomial. So what are the general system of quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real number, but a not equal to 0. Similarly, cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, where a, b, c, d are real number, but a not equal to 0. What are the general system of biquadratic? The ए एक्स पावर 4 प्लस बी एक्स क्यूब प्लस सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस डी एक्स प्लस ई said to be biquadratic polynomial and where a not equal to 0. When we take a equal to 0, then first term becomes equal to 0 and its degree is decreases. And when degree is decreases, then not it becomes a given in the form of quadratic polynomial या cubic polynomial या कहिए कि biquadratic polynomial. So this is kinds of polynomial. In exercise 1, addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression are given. Just as for example, add 3x squared minus 2x plus 3 2x cube plus 3x squared plus minus 7x plus 3 2x cube minus 3x plus 5 are given. How they can be added together? इसको हम लोग कैसे आपस में जोड़ेंगे? तो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में यह हमेशा ध्यान दिया जाता है कि ईच ऑफ द टर्म 3 is called coefficient of x square. Here in second term minus 2 is the coefficient of x. And in the addition or subtraction always added the coefficient or subtracted the value of coefficient of the right. Such as you write as 3x square minus 2x plus 3. You write as 2x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 3. Or 2x cube minus 3x plus 5. They are added together, then you get 6 by 11 plus minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 and minus 2 minus 12 x minus minus plus यदि साइन करेगा माइनस 3x square plus 3x square plus 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 6x square और 2 to the 4x. This is the result of another example. Subtract 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3 from 5x cube minus 3x square minus 7. अब इसमें से हमको इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करें? पहले क्या कर रहा है कि सब्ट्रैक्ट this algebraic expression from this expression या this polynomial is from this polynomial. तो इसको हम सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे 5x cube plus minus 3x square plus minus 7. अब हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. अब इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो यहाँ क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइन ही चेंजेस. Why it can be changed? This expression is subtracted from this. तो माइनस से इसको जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो साइन कैन बी चेंज्ड. इसका साइन क्या होता है? चेंज कर जाता है. कैसे चेंज करेगा? माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस, ये प्लस, ये माइनस, ये प्लस. क्या आ गया? -7 + 3. अब ये साइन बीच वाले साइन का कोई वैल्यू नहीं. -7 + 3 क्या आया हमारा -2। यह क्या आया -7x। यह क्या आया प्लस 3x² और 3x² ये आपस में कैंसिल हो गया, या आप 0 भी लिख सकते हैं। फिर क्या आया 5 - 2 3x3। तो इस तरह से हमारा रिजल्ट 3x3। इस तरह से हमारा रिजल्ट क्या आया 3x³ - 7x - 2। अब इसको दूसरे मेथड से भी बना सकते हैं, और में कि अगर इसमें दिक्कत हो साइन चेंज करने में तो आप ऐसा करें आसानी के लिए 5x³ - 3x² - 7 -2x³ - 3x² + 7x - 3। क्या पाएंगे हम यहाँ 5x³ - 3x² - 7 माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया -2x³ + 3x² - 7x + 3। अब यहाँ माइनस किए तो क्या आया हमको 3x²। क्यों? क्योंकि ये दोनों लाइक कर रहे हैं, इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किए। फिर क्या -3x² + 3x² प्लस माइनस कैंसिल। अब क्या आया -7x और -7 + 3 क्या आ गया -2। ये हमारा रिजल्ट है। इस तरह से भी आप कर सकते हैं। इन दिस वे यू कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज 6 from R.S. Agrawal. You complete exercise 6A from R.S. Agrawal. If you have any problem, then you write. Okay.